And in all fairness, the examinations in this country are assessing your exposure to content. That is why if you have not completed the syllabus, you will fail. That's why if you don't revise for exams, you will fail. So it's not a matter of intelligence. And I'm inviting your committee, in summary, to look at these institutions which have gone to learn from NEC. CASNEB, Council for Legal Education, Human Resource Practitioners Examination Board, HRMPEB, KISEB, including even the Kenya Institute of Management. For these professional bodies, they have had to separate teaching, assessing, and even marking.
One of the drawbacks is whereby somebody has been there for 4 years, and then whatever he has done for 4 years is being examined in a period of 3 weeks. We have seen learners writing their examinations from a hospital bed. Those cases are very common. And in such a situation, that learner may not perform well, but that is going to reflect as his or her performance, despite the condition that the learner was in when the learner was writing for the examination. And as a result of that, that is why there is that advocacy about moving away from the terminal examinations and more towards the assessment and the formative assessment. And I think we are seeing that with the new system of education and the CBC.